You gotta let me know it's a good channel.
Hey guys. Hey guys, my name is Evanson Jr. and we had to restart. Her name is Kat.
Hi.
Her name is Alyssa.
Hey.
My name is Hugo Jr. Their name is Duncan, Peter Salmon,
Alright, look up.
Scarlowy. And today we're unboxing wooden, it's not even wooden railway, it's just called wood now. Thomas and Friends Wood Rosie.
Hey.
And then this.
Alyssa got it.
Fisher Price. And the text is backwards, so I don't know how I'm writing it. 1 minute. I need to unbox this.
Caliente.
I unbox it with my teeth.
Oh, I can't wait to do it.
Yeah. Because he's holding the phone up with one and then getting his hair braided.
There we go.
I mean, my bad, trying to unbox with the other hand.
This is a challenge. Can
Alright,
someone...
you look straight.
Guys, make a new challenge. Do this for me. And then tell me you uploaded it. It's called the braiding hair while unboxing a train challenge.
While holding the phone. I mean, my bad.
Braiding...
At the same time.
Like, if they don't use a phone, they use a camera. Just be like, braiding your hair while unboxing a train with one hand challenge. There you go. Because then they won't have to hold the camera if it was, like, on the stand.
Oh, it's true.
Fudge.
But then they could be just holding a selfie stick.
Yeah.
No selfie sticks. Selfie sticks are excluded.
God
I
dang.
saw that. I thought that was hilarious that they made something like
I have one.
You got a selfie stick?
Mm-hmm.
Get that one.
I got one.
I'm trying to take it out,
Get that
guys.
fudge out of here.
This is the longest unboxing, right, guys?
Ever.
Oh my god, wait. It's getting harder as you get lower.
Yep.
Oh my god. A minute. Get out! Alyssa,
Is
can
that
you
your
hold the
Arnold
camera
Schwarzenegger
more?
voice?
What? Hi. Can you hold the camera more here? Just point it that way. Hi, guys.
Finally, Rosie is out of the box.
I know, right? It actually, it's backwards there, but it actually flips when you save it in the camera roll, which is cool.
Hmm.
There's the front of Rosie, the side. I like her gold thing down there. And then her number is 37. What? Her gold, is this the foot plate? It's probably the foot plate. And then the wood wheels. No, the wood isn't. The wheels are, they were never wood to begin with.
Yeah, you're gonna have to redo that. You're gonna have to redo that anyway.
Redo what? What happened?
Oh my gosh.
What happened?
You were too much. You were funny. You were the funniest little boy I ever met.
Why?
Because you are.
What happened?
Nothing.
What happened?
Nothing.
Cat.
Nothing.
What happened?
He's funny.
Alyssa, what
Subscribe.
happened?
Subscribe.
Why is it funny? What's funny?
There's nothing. Nothing funny.
What happened?
Nothing.
You don't know? Just the video? Me
Yeah.
recording? Yeah,
My
right.
face in the video was funny. You see?
Oh
My Kim
God.
Kardashian cry face.
I didn't know you were making
Why
faces.
you guys making fun of me?
I didn't know. I didn't
No,
know
it was
you were
my Kim
making.
Kardashian cry
I
face.
didn't know you were making faces.
Oh, yeah, I was.
Two
But I need you to keep your face straight though, so that I could finish this last break.
2012. That for some reason, every time they make like the wheels, they're always a different they're always a different date than the actual year because they're basically too lazy to actually print more. Like they have to actually print it out as different wheels every year, so they just keep it for like old wheel for a long time. Like for 2003, for some reason they kept 2003 until 2012, and then they're keeping 2012.
For 2013.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe they do with cars.
Yeah.
Do the same thing with cars.
So freaking coincidence that they
No,
do
put your head straight
2003.
though. It's like a
Coincidence
fancy
that they do it 2003 because that's my birth year.
brand. No,
and
put your head straight. Put your head straight. Thank you.
Why are the faces so
It's
small?
great, so great. As long as you keep your head straight. The faster I can
Alyssa, are you able to look at the screen and see if her face is there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. You can put your head like that. Just make
Oops.
sure it's like that so
With the
that I
camera.
can see what I'm doing.
Here we go, right in the middle. Yeah, there's her face, and then the top. They don't have a dome anymore. That thing up right there.
Hey, they don't have a dome.
You know what a dome is?
Yeah, the face, the headpiece.
Rosie's imprinted
Right,
in
like
the
your
bottom.
dome, like your dome. Like you just got anything and your
No,
dome done.
like a dome, like a round thing. That's why they call your head a dome. Hey, I get it. No, but Rosie's actually embedded into the wood instead of because they're usually printed on, but they're embedded now. There's some perks and like false, like what is it, pros and cons.
Hey, wait, if I look, it's a new little boy. It's a new little boy. Yeah, they're gonna come out here and be like, "What you did with my son?
The only reason I like when you braid is
What
because
you did with my son? Look at that shit, Chris. Look. Uno, dos, tres. 1, 2, 3.
is it finished?
Uno, dos, tres.
Woo! Can you unbraid it and braid it again? Alyssa's there. So yeah, this is the longest unboxing ever. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Yeah, it was.
6 minutes. Like, subscribe, and comment for more videos like these.
6 minutes to
We'll see you next time. Bye.